to Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu speaking with the media.
Invent issues. One issue they have invented is of EVMs. And then continuing their disinformation campaign inside and outside the parliament. People have rejected them both in 2014, now in the recent state assembly elections also. They have been mauled very badly because of their negative politics, obstructive tactics, and also standing in common cause with the corrupt. Their opposition to demonetization, remonetization has costed them heavily. And people are very much impressed by the 3-year rule of Sri Narendra Bhai Modi-led NDA government. That's why right from Panchayat election to municipal election to assembly election to parliament by-elections, they have been voting for BJP and NDA. They want to strengthen the hands of the Prime Minister, who is doing a great job. The image of the country internationally has gone up. Foreign investments are coming plenty. Inflation is under control. Prices are under control. Central government is focusing its attention on development and good governance. Historic initiatives have been taken up by the Prime Minister and the government, and pro-poor initiatives and pro-reform initiatives are bringing different sections close to the government. And these parties, not being able to understand the mandate of the people, they are suffering with a problem of not being able to reconcile to the reality. And secondly, they are not able to digest the growing popularity of the Prime Minister and the government. That's why they are continuing this disinformation. EVMs were used earlier. When they have won, no problem. When they lost election, there are problems. And moreover, the Election Commission has clarified about the genuinity of the machines. After all, they have won the election through this system only. Now they are trying to find fault because they want to dilute the victory, the message of the victory of the government, and more particularly of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Manipur, Goa, recent round of elections, wherein people have reaffirmed their faith and they wanted the development agenda to be implemented in a more effective manner. These people are making this sort of false allegations. They are pretending as if they do not know that law and order is a state issue. Some of the incidents which they have mentioned happened during different regimes of different states, and they are trying to attribute to central government. And secondly, the agencies, they are doing their job. There is no political vendetta at all. We have seen in the last 3 years, there were no instances of the government of India going out of the way to take vengeance against any political opponents. On the other hand, there is a charge against us that you are focusing only on development and good governance. You are not focusing on these people who have caused so much harm to the nation's wealth and also health. So that being the case, now they are becoming jittery. When the agencies take action as per the mandate given to them, they are acting as per the mandate that is given to them by the Constitution, by the law, by the Parliament. The government has no role in that, and they are worried that they will be further marginalized because of these exposures. Otherwise, there is no reason. Do they want the CBI not to do anything besides the corruption charges? Do they want ED not to take any action against anybody? Simply because they belong to that party, that nobody should touch them? Is it what they are trying to preach to the country? So friends, to sum up, the opposition as part of their disinformation campaign, as they could not succeed in Parliament, Parliament have done a wonderful job. 21 important legislations were passed here. Important issues were discussed. They could not succeed in their disinformation campaign. That's why they made even the last attempt to stall the OBC bill also, which is historic by itself. It's a 3-decade-long wish of the backward class of the country, who constitute more than half of the population of India. They wanted constitutional status to be given to the backward class commission. That also they have objected, and then we were forced to refer it to Senate committee. And now today they have gone to Rashtrapati and then made all sorts of absurd, baseless allegations against the government. I want to put the record straight. Rejected and dejected, devoid of any issues. They are trying to invent issues and they are continuing their disinformation. There is nothing worth in reacting or responding to the so-called allegations they have made.
Sir, Azad has said that since the government does not have enough number in Rajya Sabha, that is the reason why they are bypassing Rajya Sabha.
Where is the question of bypassing? What is happening in Rajya Sabha, the entire country is witnessing. As the government do not have numbers, they are not allowing government business. Government business means people's business. The government business do not mean Prime Minister's business or Finance Minister's business. No, it's the business of the people. You are blocking important legislations. You are using that forum to obstruct all the progressive measures. You are making baseless allegations day in and day out using that forum because you have some numbers more than us. So the charge is against you. Why Lok Sabha is functioning? Why people are happy with Lok Sabha? Why people are getting disillusioned with Rajya Sabha? They should only explain. The cabinet is just over. Now, Council of Ministers meeting is starting just now.
We will just tweet it. We will tweet it.
There is no political meeting.
What about
ये विपक्ष के पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है। चुनाव में इन लोगों ने बुरी तरफ हार गए। जनता ने इनको रिजेक्ट किया है। ये डिजेक्ट होके, डिसोल्यूशन होके, हताश होके, निराश होके सरकार के खिलाफ गलत प्रचार कर रहे। इनके पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है, इसलिए मुद्दा को ढूंढने के तलाश में है ये लोग। इसलिए उन्होंने ईवीएम को चुना है। ईवीएम के कारण से आप जीत गए दिल्ली में पहले, और बिहार में कांग्रेस का गठबंधन माने कांग्रेस माने आरजेडी जेडीयू गठबंधन जीत गए। उस समय ईवीएम ठीक था, प्रूफ था। जब बुरी तरफ हार गए तो ईवीएम गलत है, ऐसा गलत प्रचार कर रहे हैं। इनका जो डिसइंफॉर्मेशन कैंपेन है ना, इनका जो दुष्प्रचार है, उसी में एक भाग है। आज राष्ट्रपति जी के पास जाके जिस तरफ का उन्होंने इन लोगों ने बेकार आरोप किया है, जनता ने ऑलरेडी अपना मैंडेट दिया है और मोदी जी को 2014 में उसको ये पच नहीं पा रहे, अपना हार को स्वीकार नहीं कर पा रहे। जनता का संदेश क्या है? अभी 2017 में जो 4 स्टेट्स में चुनाव हुआ, उसमें जनता का संदेश क्या है, आदेश क्या है, वो भी समझने का इनके पास क्षमता नहीं है, इसलिए गलत प्रचार कर रहे हैं।
Putting the record straight is what the Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu just spoke on various issues, actually saying that no basis of the allegations that have been made by the opposition, whether it's about the disinformation campaign as far as the alleged tampering of the electronic voting machines is concerned, and also, of course, indulging in negative politics.